Hey guys, welcome to CreativeSoft, and in today's particular video we are going to updating our iPhone 12 mini to the latest iOS 15 update. This is my previous build which I just want to show you just before an update. I have the iPhone 12 mini and the build you can see the software version is 18H17. Available free space is around 50.73 GB. And then if I go to general and software update, over here as you can see I got a pop-up for having the upgrade to iOS 15. Once we click on this, we go to this particular screen. Then you need to download and install this particular update. One thing what I wanted to tell you is you can only install this particular update guys only and only if you have a Wi-Fi, I guess, because I was not able to do it on data. And as you can see the total size is 3.11 GB, which is huge. So finally I have updated the iOS 15 update on my iPhone 12 mini, and as you can see the total space remaining is 48.95. This is almost like 200 MB have gone off mine in this particular update. Again, it was around 3 point something like 11 GB on this, and as you can see the latest update is 19A346. So one interesting thing what I really like about the messaging is the content shared in messaging you can automatically appear in something like the music and all. So for example, if you have like photos in your messaging, you can actually have it in your browser or maybe something like in photos. So this is one of the new feature in the messaging app in iOS 15. Also guys, there is a new mode called as focus mode, which I'll be talking again. You have this pop-up called as allow message just to share when you are using a focus silent notification. And what this does is even if your message is silent and all, the messages will let your contact know that have notification silenced. This is one of the very good feature in the messaging for iOS 15. Another cool feature of iOS 15 is that mail privacy protection, which is just going to hide your IP address. So what I've done is I've just clicked on this private mail activity and I'm hiding all my IP address, etc. Again guys, one of the cool feature of iOS 15 is the photos, and what you will be able to do is you are going to have the photos, etc., which is shared in the messages. You all can see it in photos also. Let me just talk about the focus mode guys. Over here in notification, and that is in control center, we have another mode called as focus mode now instead of this do not disturb. And once you click on this, you have various kind of things like do not disturb, sleep, driving, personal, and basically this is like a profile which you all can select, and it's a nice cool feature what I feel is in iOS 15. In App Store, what you all can do is definitely download this 1Password and password manager for Safari extension, and there are other extensions which are available for this like for example Grammarly keyboard, etc., which you all can download in iOS 15. One of the best features I found is the health application is been improved in the iOS 15. As you can see, this is like totally a different kind of a health app which we have not seen in previous iOS 14 and all. iOS 15 it definitely is really good in terms of health, etc. And the next update is in the widget. We have a lot much more new widgets this time in iOS 15. As you can see, it is just showing me my photos, the latest one, and if I scroll down, it is just going to have a better something like sleep widget, etc., what I felt was missing previously, and now I'm able to get this. Also I can see another Lightroom widget. Even the weather app is changed guys. I can see a lot of changes in the particular weather app like UV index, etc., rainfall and humidity and all. And I think this is just a revamp of this particular weather app which I really like in the iOS 15. Again, maps is changed. Even the icons of this particular map icon is changed. It just feels a bit refreshing just to have it. And I can see even the magnifier is an added thing which is there in iOS 15. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on CreativeSoft. Also do check out these awesome cool videos which we have it on our channel. Let us know in the comments below as what you think about this particular topic, and thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.